Today's skit, the homework disaster with a comeback. Scene 1. The teacher walks in cheerfully.
Good morning, children. Please take out your homework on fractions.
Ma'am, I almost did it, but then my dog sneezed on it twice. Then my little brother turned it into a paper aeroplane and it flew out the window. Who knows, it's probably in another country.
That's quite a journey for a math worksheet.
I completed mine, ma'am, and I even checked it twice because yesterday's decimal problem confused me.
A for honesty and effort. Very imaginative, but imagination doesn't solve fractions.
Okay, ma'am, you're right. No more excuses. I'll do today's homework before my little brother even touches my notebook. And I'll keep it far away from my dog.
I can help you if you get stuck. We can do it together during the study time.
Deal. And maybe someday I'll be the one helping someone else.
That's the spirit. It's not about getting everything perfect. It's about trying, asking for help, and never giving up.
We all have tough days, but doing our best, even if the work isn't perfect, matters more than making excuses. School is not about marks, it's about building good habits.
Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently.
Thank you.